So 3.9, number 65, that is an ugly derivative to take. Quotient rules, product rules, chain rules, lots of stuff. So if we take the natural log of both sides, the rules of logs make special things happen. You have a rule that says if you have the log of two things being divided, you can separate that into the log of one thing minus the log of another. So that becomes minus the natural log of the top minus the natural log of the bottom. That's one of the properties of logs. That's very helpful. But then you have another rule. If you have a log of two things being multiplied, you can separate to two separate logs being added. And now you see the value, well, hopefully you're starting to see the value of the properties of logs. This is logarithmic differentiation. And then you still have these exponents to deal with. But then you learned you're allowed to p in front of the log. So you can move these in front. So what you'll get is this. Now the derivative becomes much easier. The only warning, that's a y, not an x. So the derivative ln of box is 1 over box times the derivative of box. Now, what's the derivative of ln of box? It's 1 over box times the derivative of box, but that's just 1. We bring the constant down. What's the derivative of ln of box? Well, that's 1 over box times the derivative of box, but that's just 1. And then we have ln of box again. What's the derivative of ln of box? 1 over box times the derivative of box, which is 5. So let me simplify all this out. I'm going to have 3 over 2x plus 1 plus 5 over 2x minus 4 minus 10 over 3, 5x plus 3. Now, you could get a common denominator and add those up. I'm not going to take the time to do that. That's just algebra. But I will do this. We're not done. I'm trying to find dy dx. I don't like that. I'm going to get rid of that by multiplying both sides by y. So dy dx is all of that. You know what? Let me do this because I don't want to copy all that down. I'm going to lasso it. Copy and paste because I can do that. Look at that. And then what am I missing? I need y. But what is y? If you look at the top, this is y. I'm going to copy and paste all that. So you need to take your original y and put it at the end here. Oh no, I'm going to shrink it down. Look at that. Oh. The magic of